So just give me a second. Good night. Fucking hell, so what would I do without you? What would I do without you? No, donkeys. What would I do without you? That's good song. This next song is about a man in a river.